Okay, so we are going to still today continue getting some example on the Stream API.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ajay, bhai, I have a question.
Yes.
Uh, Today I have formulated all the structure that
Hmm.
going forward I'll be practicing all the
Hmm.
API. Hopefully
Right.
I'll complete it.
Right.
Now I remember that you make a separate file and you put student. And
Right.
can you show me how you did it? I can share my screen.
Yes. After this class I'll explain you. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Because I have everything in one file for now.
I'll share.
Okay, okay.
So one the class I'll share how you can create this class in separate file and how to use them instead of writing in the one class, right? So I'm
Okay,
writing here in only one class so that key simply someone look the code and look the data. How here is the employee object created. Here we are creating all the 10 employee and we are setting in the list, right?
right, right.
So just for explanations, I am writing in all in a one file. But generally, we are to follow the rule. This should be in separate file. This data loading into the separate file, Java file, and
Oh,
the,
so
the
this is for
main
this.
would be the separate file. Yes,
Oh, so
logically, uh,
yeah,
our intention is that always do related things in a related file, right? But
that's right, that's right. Yeah.
this is the logical separations of the file data, anything in the real life, right?
Oh, so you have not covered that part yet.
Yeah, I'll do. Okay.
Right. Okay, okay, okay.
So there are lots of things still pending. Okay, we cannot say ki we
Oh,
have covered lots of things. Yes.
okay, okay. I see. There are a lot of things.
Yeah.
Learning language is
Yeah.
like it's not like learning Cisco networking. It's like huge.
So let us. We have a employee list. Okay,
Yeah.
and the employee list. Let's say for each and system out and printer then. And let's ask the question and try to solve the problem.
Okay.
So today, uh, let us. These are the all the names. Okay, I want all name only in one string, maybe comma separated, or right.
Okay.
Not
Yeah. I
want
can. Oh, so you want all the name? Okay.
in
So we can do filter.
yes. So let's
Uh,
employee list dot
employee list dot
string and
string
dot
for each. No map.
map. Yes, right. Good.
Yes. We,
Map
yeah. We
because
need to do map.
whenever employee we give me the employee name,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Employee name.
Name
Dot
name. So we
name.
got a name.
Yeah.
And here I want output should be like a string uh, all all employee name. Why? Name.
All employee name. Okay.
Okay. So question is that here if you write dot map, now we have a string. Okay. Then what we can go next? What
Now what is the end goal? You want
end
all the
goal?
name?
You want to just one string object that contain all the name with
Okay.
the let's
So
key comma separated.
okay. So now we can do uh, okay. We can do two two list.
So you are getting the list. Okay.
I'm getting
But
the list. Yeah.
but I'm not want to list. I want to just one string object, right? So
Okay.
here we are going to use one more method, collect, and here say collectors class have a one more utility method like joining.
Okay. I see.
Okay, this joining method just call the join, and they just join all the name in because all of them are string. So by default they retain all strings.
Right.
And if you look here, the joining is the one method which return whatever
Oh,
the map return name and all
hmm.
them join. And if you look, you are getting all the names. Okay, you notice all the
Okay.
names one history. But I want this name should be some comma separated or something, like.
That's right. That's right. Okay.
So we
Uh,
have a this is the I want it should be like a some comma separated. Okay. So here I have an option. We can give let's the comma.
oh, we can do that.
Yes, we say I want this delimiter comma separated. So this will give me the comma separated name. Even you many here you have option key what now. Notice I'm getting all the name with comma separated, right?
So joining is a override method.
Yes, overloaded method,
Overload. Sorry, overloaded method. Yeah.
right? Because they are, and even I want something maybe more better instead of maybe I want all should be in particular bracket. This is the name. So we have a lots of permutation combinations here joining to. So what do you mean here joining means? How joining works? We have employee list. We have employee list. We are streaming. I am getting one employee. From one employee, I am getting the name. You are getting the one name, right? One name.
That's right.
And then
Yeah.
say collect. Then collector collect this name. You are
Right.
getting the next employee. You are getting the
That's
next name. Just collect them and join comma separated comma next name.
that's
Then
right.
again next data. Again next data. Again next data. Finally, collectors are collecting, reducing, and just with the help of your delimiter, they are appending the value.
That's
Like in
right.
the case of list, they are storing in the list. Like a set, they are storing in the set, right?
Right.
Similarly, I don't want to any kind of collection. I just want to all the value in comma separated. Yeah, maybe not comma separated. I want to minus separated, hyphen separated, anything you want to, right?
That's right.
Even these things completely you write s out, okay, s out. And here you can say simply right here and say I want to not comma separated, I want maybe hyphen separated, right?
That's right.
So it will just say hyphen separated. So this is the way this collectors is a method joining that help us to join data, right? Maybe collect anything, right? Notice all the hyphen separated, right?
That's right. Yeah.
And even you can any even one more things you can here you can this is one overloaded method. Here you can pass some other parameter like prefix and postfix. Okay, prefix I want like this, and postfix I want like this. So here we have option key whatever the name, just apply here prefix and here the suffix, right?
Right.
So here, if you notice, we can get added prefix or suffix as well, right?
Oh, prefix suffix.
I mean, here you have options what you want to initial and what you want to last. Just let's output. I'm not run. Oh, so I'm waiting. I'm thinking I have already run. So we are able to get notice this is the open curly brace and this is your right.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see. I see.
So you have to design your output in the different way. Let's say might be even here you can use the method reference, right? Employee name, right? And here say I'm interested this the comma separated, but here this value should be start with a single quote and this quote etc. Look like so anything you can place here, whatever you want, right? So
That's right.
these are the joining method. These are the overloaded method. You can pass no argument, you can pass one argument, or you can pass three argument.
Hmm.
So here look like comma separated all the value in this, right?
That's right.
So here maybe you are interested ki why Tom two time. I don't want to duplicate. Then what will do?
So we can do two set. and also um, uh, to set and
So here you say,
we can do a override
hmm,
of uh, override. Yesterday we did it.
you that's one your one answer good. We can go with a to set. Why not go?
Okay,
You
yeah,
say dot to set,
yeah,
because name is a string object and string object by default is the Java library. So to set works fine, right?
that's right.
And you run. So you are able to get all the employee name just like a unique name, right? This is the no, this is the only one time Tom, right? Here
Okay,
Tom,
okay, yeah,
right?
yeah, one time.
Right? So here like Tom is the two, no, and Sonny Johnny two times, no Johnny only one time, right?
That's right,
So yes, two set also works for. Okay. So lots of permutation combination you can try. Okay.
right.
So this is the one methods like here now here uh, maybe here you can apply like I want to all the names which have a letter vowel. I want to which letter contains some XYZ, right? Different kind of questions we can ask. Here we have all the employee. I am interested only those employees whose names have a vowel, right? Words or only you can say consonant, right? Lots of permutation combination you can place here. Just as per your question, right?
You mean the first letter is the
Yeah,
vowel?
first letter. Yes, first letter can be vowel or yes, you can write. So let's do right. I
Okay,
want
so
all the employee name whose first letter is the only vowel.
we can do map again.
Hmm. Or maybe contain vowel or here like S J C M J T T T J. There is no any name that is start with a vowel, right? So you are not getting any data, right?
That's right,
That's right. So here, whatever the till now we have did the string manipulations things, the same question here you ask, right? Okay. Yesterday we discussed ki, maybe we had maybe good options. Let ki, find out. Let's do. Let's do. Hey employee list. I want to stream, and after that I am going to filter. So whatever the employee. Okay.
hmm.
Employee dot name. This is one string method is a contain, right? This contains method check the particular character exists or not, right? So let's say
Right,
I want to check contains all the names which have a like this alphabet, let's O, right? Or I. Okay. So if here and just say that's okay, and after that you can say just to list, right?
right.
And S out. Okay. And you are getting all the employee whose name at least contain one letter I. So this is the one method. String class have a contain method. So notice it would be good print for each, right? That's best
That's right,
option instead of here. Here instead of here, output would be take variable and print for each. So that new line we can get, right?
right.
Yes. Collect dot for each. So that we can get the correct output. So notice I am getting these names Let's just add this. Here say you can use method, this to list method, and here simply say like s out minus. Okay. So here I am getting only those name which names have at least one letter I vowel, right?
Right.
So notice here I am getting a name like Smith, Janith, and Tim, right?
Yeah. Employee list, is this a string or this?
Employee list is the list of employee object.
Oh yeah, okay, okay. So that's the one. Okay. So
This is
you
the
just
list
put,
of employee, right?
yeah, yeah,
We
yeah,
have
yeah,
employee list, not the
yeah.
string, right? This is the employee class that have
No,
a
no. I thought we are returning to the string.
no.
That example. Okay.
Here we are after filter, we are just getting the complete employee which match the condition. After we are not any kind of map operation. Here you're getting the map means key from the employee object we are getting only name. The name is a string,
Right.
the output
Yeah.
go with a string object, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, good. So in this way you can ask multiple questions on name parameters or age parameter. Maybe I want all the employee who are, maybe multiple question you can ask here, right? On the age basis, maybe study we discuss like who is the employee that's getting the maximum salary, right? Or the minimum salary.
Okay. I have a question, Ajay bhai.
Yes.
This operation, is it considered a query? Is it
uh,
also query?
you can say query terminology in the case of database. Yes, you can say query means asking question. From where you're asking question, I'm asking from the our programming, right? Hey, programming, I want to this, right? A
Yeah.
query generate terminology in the database software like MySQL or Oracle, where you can write the query. Query means asking question, hey database, give me those employee, right? Which meet this condition, right?
Right. Right.
The
No, but
similar things, yes.
when we work in this environment,
Hmm.
do we? It looks like we are not using SQL code. We just
Yes.
only Java will do the work.
Yes, nowadays this is the main beauty. SQL part are generally are overridden by the language. So whenever we are
Oh,
building application like Java, so our initial purpose be all the things done in the Java language itself.
I
Okay,
see. I see. That's
if
clear.
something not feasible in the Java language, then we go to the right manually SQL part, SQL function, procedure, whatever things, right? But
Oh,
first
right,
preferences, if we are able to process like Java itself, though these are the easily manageable, understand, and Java developer know the Java language more mature than the SQL language, right? They are not
right,
devious, but they are not know all the syntax and semantics, right?
right, right,
So let's hear similar question. The employee list. I want, hey stream. I want to the employee who is the maximum salary.
right.
So how to do question? We have multiple options. You can say sorted. You can get sorted by age and name something and get one sorted by salary, right?
That's right.
Let's here say dot sorted, and here say comparing sorted employee dot salary, right? Employee dot salary, right?
Salary. Yeah.
And dot collect, and just to here and collect one. So this will collect all the employee sorted by your salary, and from
Right,
here you can find out who is the semicolon, who is the maximum employee, who is the minimum employee. Just I want to name. You can get the name as well as, or you want to just one name and salary, whatever you want, right?
right, right.
So now here I am getting the sorted by your salary or not.
Salary. Yeah.
maximum is this, right?
That's right.
78, 68. Yeah, it's sorted by, right?
Yeah.
So, and here, maybe you want to max or mean, right? Directly you can do, right?
So here
Hmm.
you sort it, and in the bracket,
Uh,
you
I'm
mentioning that.
I'm the mention key which the field I'm going to the sort, right? Sorted by
Okay.
salary parameter.
Mhm. And comparing. What
Hmm.
does that do? Comparing.
Just comparing those employee on the basis of salary field.
Okay, okay, I see.
These are the employee one, employee two. We have to compare na, ki which is the first, which is going to less, right?
Right, right.
This is
That's what.
already covered in our ascending, descending sorting part, right?
Right, right, right.
So lots of things here you can do like employee list dot stream and dot directly you can say max, okay, max, and here say ki I want to maximum same thing here. You are getting the direct value, right?
That's right.
Okay, and here say just dot get dot s out, and this is the employee which is the max salary, right?
Right.
Or min or whatever you want, right?
That's right.
So sometime I want to with the employee we are getting the minimum salary, right?
Right.
This is the employee. This is the employee. Employee name Tim, Tom. That getting a 78,000, right?
Right. So
Similarly, yes.
what does the get do? Get.
Get is just get the if you let's do again. Last time I say ki whenever you are saying this, this let's do here. Here I am saying ki let's keep mean, okay, mean, okay,
Right.
and here just take variable in the variable. You are getting the optional employee means ki might be some employee is the contain salary minimum, right?
That's right. Yeah.
So from optional you want to get the value. So here you have options. Uh, yes, say name optional employee, and here say optional employee dot we have a check is this contain value or not value. There are two possible value. Optional visa might be value or cannot be value, right? So you have to check
Correct.
is value
Correct.
present, is value
Right.
present. If 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 value present, if value present, then you get me data. Then you can say here dot get the get give the your employee object.
Right.
So here I'm employee. Here I'm using the get just give me the your like here already check, right?
Like if they have data or not. It's like a
Uh,
boolean.
yes, yes. So here similarly here I'm directly say get means I am assuming ki by default I am getting one maximum. Might be I'm not interested if let someone here, let's sample I add filter. That's I add filter employee which age dot age greater than 90. So might be there is no employees greater than 90, then how I can get the maximum employee? That this will throw exception. This will throw exception.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah,
That
yeah.
will check because might be in our case there is no employee which is greater than maximum, then how I'm getting the maximum value?
Right.
Notice I'm getting something, right?
Right. Right. Yeah.
So here no, I'm getting what the error here? What say? Optional employee. Something error. Okay, 1 minute. This is optional employee dot is present, right? If present then is present, right?
Right.
Okay. If data present then get. So this is the safeguard. You are writing your code, at least work, right? Because in stream we don't know, someone can apply filter, notice here I am getting no value present, because here I am thinking some maximum value, right? Here, but there is
Right.
no maximum value. So due to that, I am not here directly going to call get. I am say just saying optional of, I'm say here, say optional, okay, optional of employee, okay. And here
Right.
I am not calling get, I am not calling get, okay. And here say first check if this employee, this employee is present, is present, then get, right?
Right.
Okay. If, okay, so this is the region we are writing the optional, optional means, okay. Oh, so optional just help us the safeguard, right? Then get. So by default, initially I am thinking might be always a getting value, because whenever someone design stream API at that times, might be someone can apply filter, someone cannot apply filter, right? So what happened? How our API should be safeguard, right? They're not through exception, right?
Right.
For those purpose, we are returning first optional, and optional type of method check if present then get, else don't do anything, right?
That's right. Yeah.
So in this,
Okay.
if you run, you
Mm.
find, oh yeah, right, I am getting the employee no maximum. I'm not at least getting error, right? Okay. Okay, this variable is already used. Okay, here also okay. Let me change. This is the max, this is the mean, okay? Max, 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 right?
Right.
This is max. And this is the, let's change the mean. Same name variable you cannot use, right?
That's right.
Okay. And if you run, so this way, just you can say ki get is the, if you directly call get, it will kind throw exception like no such element. And now at least you're not getting any exception, right? Optional empty return, because you're here, there is no employee which is greater than age 50. Let's change the age 19, right?
Right.
And we are get data employee, maximum employee, right? So whenever we have option, might be getting some data or sometime not getting, right? In those scenario, we receive the object in the form of wrapper, optional wrapper. Optional have possible two value, one is the data or empty,
Mm.
right? So this is the employee which are getting the maximum salary, this is the employee which are getting the minimum salary. I am not.
Now, if it is empty,
Hmm.
where does it say the else statement? I don't see the else.
Yes, else whatever you want to say, let's say else say no data found, right? Message,
Yeah.
just you say like here else part.
Otherwise, it will just say empty.
Yes, no data. You can give your message like whatever. Let's say I change the condition 90, right?
Right.
And if present, then get this, else no data. No date and no data. Okay. So you say here no data. No data.
Oh, okay.
The
Okay.
no data. The optional max employee is the empty R. So you can give possible value, maybe empty or maybe value, right? So this is the check you can apply. So in this case, we are not getting any employee that is maximum, because we have added some condition right here. Due to this condition, this max is return nothing. If you write the condition, change the condition, it will give the correct value, because
Correct.
expectation this is some employee that is greater than, and between that who is the maximum.
Right.
Might be someone interested. I don't want to complete employee. I just want to the name and department, right?
Right.
I want just give me, don't give me the salary and don't give me the some details. I just want tell me the name and tell me the department, right?
Right.
So how will do? I don't want to all. So how will do? You have to just map them, right?
I just map them.
Map and get the data, right?
So
So you have
you want department and which one?
name and department only. This is the employee Tom from the CS department is getting the maximum salary, right? Might be this is the salary component are very personal thing. Someone may be not interested to show to all, right? Good.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. So here in this way, maybe I want to yesterday already we covered in the last class like group by all them want
We
to the employee that fit in the particular department, right?
correct.
Yesterday we already in the last class we discussed how to use the grouping, right? Grouping by
Correct.
department, grouping by
Yeah.
city, right? Now
Yeah.
we cover today max, minimum. Similarly, you can find out the oldest person or like youngest person, right? Who is the oldest person in my employee list, right?
That's right.
So how you get the oldest person or the youngest person?
Uh, mm,
Yes, tell
uh,
me.
yeah. So we can use the word max.
Yes, for the oldest I can use the max, but
Yeah.
here I'm not going to salary. I'm going to the say age, right?
Right.
Here say max age, right? Max
Yeah.
age, and this is your max age employee, right?
Max age. So where do we put the keyword? In
This is
okay.
right.
Max.
So
Yeah.
I'm saying, hey, employee list stream
Right.
and give the maximum age, okay?
Right.
And I'm getting the employee from employee. I'm just saying is employee present maximum. I'm getting data, right?
Right. Right.
So in this way, you can find the your max age person, right? This is the person like whose age is the 32. It's really this is the maximum or something. I am doing wrong. Let's check all the
Uh,
data. This is the age like okay,
age
and
60. You have
maximum is a
62.
60, yeah. I at least
But
say 60, not the what we doing. Okay, I'm writing something here. This is and this is the okay. I have to use this variable. Max says is present, then get max age data, right?
oh, so what you had before?
Before that is the min. This was the place because
Oh,
copy
okay. Okay.
paste.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the confusion. So I'm getting this is a 61 is the oldest person, right?
Right.
Similarly, maybe similarly you can find like so lots of the person is the youngest person, right? So you can instead of max, you just go the mean, right?
That's right.
And, check the mean, and you can just say this is the minimum variable is present data, get minimum employee, and print this, right?
That's right.
So in this way, max, mean, sorting, all the things you can know. This is the employee. The 21 is the employee with the youngest. This is the oldest 61, right?
That's right.
Good.
Yeah.
So lots of permutation combination you will try. That depend upon the our what the kind of query you want to do here.
Okay. So this is the query. Basically, what
Look
we
like
want to
this.
achieve on
Yeah,
this data.
want to achieve. So we have a data and here data. For example, here we have only the 11 row. So you are able to successfully look data. What happened? This is the 1 million record, right?
Okay. Okay.
In 1
So,
million, I want
this workflow
mm,
applies to, as you mentioned earlier, it's a
yeah,
database too. It's
yes,
database also.
yeah. So, but this all the processing we can do in the your stream API as well as right.
That's right. Yeah.
Good. So this is the you can say Steam API for your custom object, maybe employee. Here, employee have any field, ID, name, and accordingly you can play some filtering, sorting, searching on the name, or age, or salary, or grouping, or counting. Lots of functions we have a last couple of days we cover, right? So
Yes,
now
correct.
just need to practice to do multiples operations on this. Okay,
Sure.
we have also know how to sort, list, map, all the things, right?
Right. Mhm.
Good. So, and in a stream API, we have a cover of lots of other things as well as like discuss. We can do stream of is you can do like a list of, right? You can list of like a number, right?
Right.
Number, then it's become a list of your numbers, like integer list. Similarly, if you have a list of string, so these are the primitive data variable, right? That is already exists, like one.
That's right. Yeah.
We have already covered this, right? Two, three, comma, four,
Four.
and this will be assigned in a variable. And it's okay. This is the string list. So in this way, list stream API can work on the any data type, list of employee or list of integer, a list of a string, and here whatever you want. Sometime you have already exist data here, already know the data, right? Like here, already know the employee, already
That's
know the
right.
number, already know on that you have a list, and from a list you can get the stream, right? List dot stream, right? This is a large stream. So you can get a stream, and after that you can process all things, right?
That's right.
And sometime I can generate this data, right? Sometime maybe here I can say key print only even number. So I can say just uh, hey list, just give me stream. This is the stream started, and they just filter all those number. Those are the even number, right? Even number,
That's
that
right.
means
Yeah.
modulo 2 double equal to 0. And after that, just I want to collect to list. Okay,
Correct.
and take variable. Okay, and here's a S out collect 2. So you are getting all the even number from here, right?
That's right.
So here you have a getting all the even number, right? We're not getting odd number. Similarly, in the stream, you can find out the two-digit length, yeah, filter something. So intention is that first you have a data, then you can convert list, and after that list, you can start a stream and apply filter collect, right?
That's right.
Maybe on the like here employee list, stream and apply the filtering. Similarly, maybe list of integer you can do. Maybe similarly here list of a string, right? List of a
Right.
string. Now you can call the stream method. You can get a stream, and after that you can say filter, filter, whatever the string. Let's whatever the string, just string length like greater than like 3, and after that you can just maybe map to uppercase, whatever it, to a string to uppercase, and after that say okay, what happened, max, no, map. Okay,
Map.
a
Yeah.
map, and after that say to list, and a south list. The here you are getting the all the which is greater than 3. So here our trying to say if we have a data, already data available like in the form of a string, or in you are getting those, right?
That's right.
So if you have a data like integer, you can create the list of integer. You have a data string, you can create the list of a string. Similarly, you have a data like here employee, your object, you can create the list here. Once you have a list, after that you can call the stream and start the stream processing, right?
So just to recap, so you can declare data
Hmm.
using list,
Hmm.
also list of,
Right.
also array,
Yes.
array list.
Yes. Both are the finally they return the list.
Finally, they return the list. Yeah,
Hmm. Last to last couple of whenever we started the Java collection framework, we have say कि different way we can create this list, right? List
that's
of
right.
new array list or arrays as a list, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah, array as of.
As
Um,
of yes, multiple options we have, and this is the one way. If you have already data, you can create prepare list and you can start a stream. And sometime you don't have any kind of data, still we can do processing. In this case, we have to generate a stream. Like let's say I want to print first 10 even number, but I don't have a data, right? I don't have a data, but I want to
that's right.
print all first 10 even number. So we can say, hey, of stream of generate the number, right?
That's right.
And here say कि I want to start our int stream, start from 1 to number less than, let's number uh, number till less than 30, okay.
That's right.
And after that you can say next parameter key how increment number increment by number plus 1, right? And dot you can now stream you have start, and here say I want to filter those numbers which modulo 2 even number, okay, modulo 2 maybe not equal to 0, right? It's
Right.
odd number, right?
Right. Odd number.
Hmm. And after that they to list, and here in this say double equal, right? So here we have not any data. What say? And this, what did this say?
Oh, this is iterate. Iterate.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
you are
Yeah.
remember. Iterate, yes. Right?
Iterate.
So we are iterating, generating. So here iterate is the one function that generate the number.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
generate number one, 1 to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus, and until the condition less than 30.
It's like a
And
for loop.
look like
Yeah.
a for loop. But here
Mhm.
in the for loop, you can start streaming. Here you can say filter, map, whatever you want, right? And you can get data. So sometimes you don't have a collections, still you can do stream processing, right? Here I have we figure out
Oh,
all the numbers,
so
okay.
with this iterate, you
We
create
can,
data. You
yes, we
can
can
create
generate stream of data, right?
a stream of data. Okay. Yeah.
But here say like not equal to 2, that means all the odd number, right?
Right. Right.
So in this way, sometime we need to know have a data. Still I want to some filtering, like filter, like map. Let's say I want to map, okay, whatever the number, just number multiply by 10, right? Whatever you want,
Right.
right? So if in this case still you cannot say ki stream API is only work on the list or collections of value. If you don't have of value, still you can generate value, right?
Right. 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 Also, stream work with primitive data.
Yes, like yes, this is a primitive number, like the primitive value, right? This is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yeah. 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 That's
Yeah.
right.
So here, intention, maybe you can use the iterate method. And the last class we have used one like int stream specific class, right? Int stream dot range. I
This
don't
one
want
we
to.
have not touched. This
This
one.
is touch. This is I give an example. Range is like I want to 50 all the number, and just
Oh,
like filter filter number, your number modulo 2 double equal to 0, right?
right.
And after that just want to list.
Oh, range works like iterate.
Yes. List. So here the only difference is range by default always go to the increment plus one, right? Here we have option I want to plus two plus three,
That's
right?
right.
Here
Yeah,
this is the one beauty have I can go with the plus three, right?
that's correct. Yeah,
But here by default always go the one by one. So whenever you always go the one by one, this you can use the range function, right? The range include from 1 to 49. They are not include the 50, right?
that's right.
Okay, so in this way we can use this function like int stream range, or if you want to include a 50 range closed function, right? So here we are able to generate all the numbers, right? Till the right here include not a 50. If you want to 50 as well as, you have to use this what close. This is the one function like a range closed
Right.
last discussed.
Right.
Range closed means
Yeah.
this include the 50 as well as. So sometime you don't have any existing list, a collections of value. Still you want to filtering, mapping, processing, so you can use the stream generator. So these range function are range closed, they generate the stream, right? And this is the
They generate the
iterate.
stream. Yeah.
Yeah, they generate the stream for you, right?
Stream
Good.
means number.
Stream means they doing do thing. First they generate the collections and from they start the streaming.
Okay.
And
Okay.
here you are applying the set of pipeline function like filter, map, reduce,
Okay. Okay.
whatever.
I see. Yeah. Yeah.
So internally, first they are generating
Yeah.
this number, and after that they
Yeah.
create a stream. Dot stream. Notice here I'm not calling the dot stream method. Dot here in the case of list we have to call the stream, right? To start a
That's right.
stream.
That's right. Yeah.
Here I'm not calling a stream. By default, they generated the stream.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Notice not I'm just here before all the list I'm called dot stream, then filter, map, reduce, right? But
Right.
here
Right.
I'm
And
not
this is
calling stream. By default, they are stream
because
with the data in a stream.
okay. Okay. I see. Because you're
Right.
putting stream dot iterate, so
Right.
they're creating a stream.
Stream, yes.
Yeah.
So these are the classes already I've discussed like a stream. So intention is that ki stream API या collector is not mandatory कि always work on the existing set of values like collections framework like list set these. You can
That's right.
also work stream, filter, map on the runtime generate the stream from the into stream range or stream dot or lots of method, right? We can generate the stream.
That's right.
Okay, so these are the things. Let's we have to uh, do practice. Lots of options to generate the stream as well as and best generally we are doing already we have a collections of list of value then start dot stream and you can play the stream API,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So whenever we have a collection may be list, collection may be map, collection may be set, right?
That's right.
So on all this, you want to start the stream processing, then you have to invoke stream and start processing, right?
Right.
And but sometime you don't have any list, don't have any data, then how to start the processing? That time you have to use the function like your stream off or stream iterate. These are the method. You can also use the stream off or you can use like inter stream dot range close, right?
Right.
These are the stream generator generate the stream for you, and after that you can apply filter, map, reduce, whatever operation. Is it okay?
Yeah. It's good now.
So any doubt, any question for the today?
No. Today's class is much clearer.
Yeah.
We
So
did
almost in
more
this way,
exercise.
yes, we have to cover up lots of example with the stream API. Now you can let's do practice. Any doubt, any confusion, we'll again cover this because these are the heavily used you can say Java collection framework and stream API both. Collection framework means list, map, set, which we study, right?
Yeah.
Good. Anything else for the day?
No. That's all.
But
Also, I have a question. You know,
yes.
with list map and set that you
Hmm.
taught me yesterday. You also showed a custom, how to create the custom collection, like
A custom
custom.
collector, yes.
What is it? Like it's not like used in a real situation.
Generally rarely used in the case of very specific application where you want to some different kind of a collector mechanism, then we are using. Else we are not. Generally use the tool list to map to side. Yes, you are right.
Okay, okay, I see.
But
Got it.
you should aware that tool list is not a magic. Internally, someone written code for you, right?
Right. No, no, no.
Okay, good. So let's do practice.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.